Hey everybody, it's Joe Baker, 401k guy, and today I want to talk about how to check the performance of your 401k plan. Um, right now, since we've had the plan in place since July of 2019, we've had some history. So, for a 401k, when you're putting in money every paycheck and not really planning on touching it for 5, 10, 15, 20 years or more, it's always a good thing to check performance, quarterly or even less than that because you have so much time on your side. So one of the good features that this plan has on its website is the ability to check the performance of your account. So let's just dive right into it right now. So once you log on, just click on My Plans, and then you're going to hit Performance. And then you can see here, this account in particular is invested in two funds, and you can see how the return is. A personal rate of return is 12.51%. So you have to know what time period that's for, and that is for since this account has been funded. So this plan, the person in this plan started putting money in on September 6, 2019. So you can see that the rate of return for this account since September 6th has been 12.51%. One of the things that I like here is this graph shows when there's green, that means that the account has made money. If it had not made money, there would be red in here, but it's kind of a hard graph to follow. Kind of like looking at this personal rate of return, bar chart. It's because this is pretty cut and dry. This shows for the entire time the account's been open, how much the rate of return was, and then for the last quarter, and then for year to date. And so this is nice and easy to look at. So you can always change that graph there. If you wanted to see how your rate of return is calculated, you can click on this light bulb, but it's kind of scary, so I don't know if you want to look at that. The other thing that you can do here is you can always change the period or the time period that you're looking at. So that can always be changed. And another thing that's kind of neat is you can change. Let me just tell you here, to change the period, you just go over here and you can click on that last quarter, year to date, or custom. You can also change if you would just want to look at how each individual fund performed versus all of them. So you can check that. But an easier way to do it is just by clicking on the pie slice that you want to look at, or the actual on the ledger in the fund. So if you want to just see how this fund did over that period versus both funds, then you can see here it shows those returns. And then if you want to just go back to all the funds and reset it, then you just hit these little refresh buttons, either this one or this one, and that'll give you a good idea of how your account's performing. It's real good, real simple, and if you're looking at that and you're saying, shoot, I should be doing better than that, then shoot me an email or give me a call, or take a look at the other investment options on there, and you can make that switch. So that's it for today. Nice and easy. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you next time. Take care.